Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I'm going to be doing something kind of strange. So if you're like me and you make things, you probably have at least one or several hammers and mallet. In my case, I have a lot of mallet. I've got one for just about anything you could think of or imagine. There's a whole bunch. These are the ones that I keep on my wall. But one in particular is pretty cool. And no, it's not that one. I'm sorry, Nick. It's not the one that we made with Nick in a different video. It's this right here. I picked it up at Lee Valley. I picked this up at Lee Valley for $2.50. When I got it, I thought, wow, this is a really cool plastic mallet. I've never had a plastic mallet. I gotta get one of these. Like, I know the faces are rounded. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but it sure has a nice swing and a nice feel. And it wasn't until I was buying it at the register that my brother pointed out that it's a tent peg mallet, and then I felt stupid. But nonetheless, I want to turn this into a usable tool that I can use here in the shop. I can't think of a time where I would use this rounded plastic face, but I'm gonna leave at least one of them on there so that if there is ever a time, I can actually use it. But the other side, I want to shave flat and put a piece of leather on. This way, when I'm doing fine work, I have a nice light mallet that I can swing really fast, and it's really not gonna take much of my energy, but also it'll be a light mallet and it'll have a soft face. It won't do any damage to any surface that I'm hitting or the backs of any tools. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I think this turned out pretty well. I'll let you guys know how it ends up working out. I think it'll work perfect. It's a light mallet. I don't really have a specific use for it right now, but I know that the time will come, the job will come where it's like, holy crap, I'm really glad I have this. So I've still got the plastic side here just in case I need that. I don't know what I need that for. But then we've got the leather side here, which is going to be great for not dinging anything up. Like you could really just kind of tap anything. It's not gonna mess it up. There you have a tent peg mallet turned into a useful tool. Useful tool? I haven't used it yet, so I don't know. A useful tool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say a big thank you to our #1 Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are absolutely incredible, and all of my Patreon supporters help make this happen. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, more videos on my daily video channel, which will be linked up here, go ahead and check out my Patreon page. There is a link in the description of this video, as well as I'll put another card up right here for it. So if you want to help in any way, that is probably the best way to help me continue making videos like this. So I'd like to thank you for considering that. That's going to be it for this one, guys. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.